My top 5 favorite ship girls, Iron Blood Edition. Let's go! Number 5, Z-23 or Nimi-chan. She's a good starship when it comes to her pew-pews and durability, as she has the highest health pool among the other starter ships. Number 4, Admiral Hipper, because of her, Number 3, Tia Pitts. The lonely Queen of the North can go all out when there are no non-Iron Blood BBs or BCs in your fleet. Pair her up with her sister Bismarck, who can give her a damage bonus whenever Bismarck is on the same fleet. Number 2, Bismarck or Bismarck Zwei. The two versions of Bismarck have different skill sets, but why I like her is because she is a cute little Chancellor Biscuit. And also because she looks handsome and hot. Finally, for number 1, you guessed it, Admiral Hipper's younger sister, Prince Eugen. Why? Because Eugen? That's it for this series. Follow for more.